Manipur News Reader की channel की video amta update tawjage ngasi January की tang 19 da mapung oiba pauda khudeng thabi AR post nupi singda khudeng thiningai oire IPS officer ama molest tawkhre Manipur Police ki IPS officer ama Imphal More lambi gi khudeng thabi da leiba Assam Rifle Post ki rifleman amana molest tawbikhre hairi AR na molest tawbikhre hairi nupi asi Manipur Police ki IPS officer ama Yaripok Police Station ki SDPO oiriba Anupam ne Police officer asina mahaki escort ka loinena official duty da more da lakpada khudeng thabi da leba taraga ni thusuba Assam Rifle gi rifleman amana physical assault obuga loinena molest to bire haina police officer asina Tenokpal da police station da waka cherol pikibane IPS officer asina Tenokpal police station da pirakpa waka cherol aduda mahak ngarang January gitang 18 ayuk pung 9 rom tabda mahaki escort ka loinena More da official duty ama chatluraga halakpada khuding thabi post yorakpada taraganithu suba Assam Rifles ki B company gi rifleman PK Pande koba amana rifleman manga ga loina mahak na tunglakpa gari khamlaba matung physical assault ama di molest tokhe masigi makhada rifleman aduna police officer asida phajadaba wahai wata kya sijinabaga loina ahing athingba phawba mahakpu phajinduna thamkhe AR gi maikedi minister amasum DGP da paupi rabasu thadok loi haina ki hanbagi thapuk satharaki police officer asina laingak na piba masagi identity card utlaba phawba da ki hanbagi thawong kaya sathakhi thawdo asigi mari lainana makok thongma Manipur police ki officer singa paupi na bo hona bada mahak na pailiba mobile phone ado Assam Rifle gi personnel singna munna bo hona ki tungda kungataruk suba Assam Rifles ki brigadier mafamduda laktuna wari sanarba matungda IPS officer khudeng thabi ge Assam Rifle gi post gi thadoraki haidi asigumba Assam Rifle gi rifleman asigi mathakta ain gi oiba action lokhat piu haina su SDPO Yaripo Anupamna Tenokpal police station gi OC da pipo waka cherol aduda phungdorakle nupi IPS officer asi Assam Rifle na phajinba amadi ikaiba pibigi thawong sathaba matam aduda police officer asigi escort oina sakhiba Manipur police ki constable number 0908130 M Hamanta constable number 0909104L Samanda constable number 0908100 MD Abdul Sokad constable number 0908102 MD Sakya Khan amadi constable number 1019S Inau Bisu Assam Rifle ki personnel sing aduna tathi tawena topikhe Assam Rifle ki personnel sing aduna SDPO Anupamda khut thaba amadi molest tobagi thawong satharakpa adubu khamnabo amadi mahaki escort party asina hotna rubada makoi busu AR personnel sing aduna tana duna phukhi thawong aduda SDPO Anupam gi maikedi gi makoi gi AR gi senior officer kauna ba haibadusu Assam Rifle ki personnel sing aduna yadabaga loinana makoina police personnel sing adubu phuba gi thawong adu sathaduna laiki haiki